Hey guys, I'm the Mile High Mechanic, and today we'll be reviewing and unboxing the TEKTON half-inch drive torque wrench. As you can see here, here's the part number. Alright, let's get into it. So first of all, it comes in a really nice blow mold case. As you can see. It's always good to have a case for your torque wrenches because if you drop it, if you bang it, it could throw it out of calibration. And if it's thrown out of calibration, then your torque measurements will not be exact. Alright, let's see what we got here. So TEKTON states that this is shipped ready to use and it's calibrated and tested with an accuracy, see here, an accuracy of plus or minus 4%. They recommend that you store this torque wrench at 10 foot-pounds, one of its lowest torque settings. So TEKTON does claim that its range goes from 10 foot-pounds to 150 foot-pounds, which is equivalent to 13.6 newton meters to 203.5 newton meters. And again, its accuracy percentage is plus or minus 4%. Alright, let's open it and see how it looks. Now feeling it, it does not feel like a piece of crap. It's pretty heavy. I don't think there's any plastic on it. Let's take this off. What does it say? So this says, I don't know, you can read that. It says you do not want to use this torque wrench for breaking nuts loose, only for tightening them. It comes in as 18 inches without taking the measurement from the very back. This is about a little under average for the amount of, for the length. Of course you want the longest length torque wrench so you can get more tightening pressure when you're really getting on it and you have to tighten a bolt. But this will do the job. Alright, let's move on to how to use it. So as you can see here, it goes from 10 foot-pounds all the way up to 150, and on the other side, if you're working with newton meters, 13.6 all the way to 203.5. So basically, right now it's at 10. So you can see here, the 0 is lined up with the 10 right down the middle of this line. If you want to make it, 14 foot-pounds, you just go, that's 11, 12, 13, 14. And if you're going all the way up to 20, you'll move the 0 up and down where the 20 mark is. Same thing for 30, for 40. And once you've got your desired torque spec, you want to tighten the lock nut, and this will tighten it so that it doesn't move. It does come as a dual multi-directional, but you do not want to use this to break nuts loose. It's not what it's designed for, and if you're going to break nuts loose with it, you're most likely going to damage it, the internal components. Now the reason why they say store it at the lowest torque setting, let me move it back down there real quick. The reason why they say store it at the lowest torque setting is because inside the tool, let me show you real quick, because inside the tool is a spring, and the spring is what increases or decreases the amount of torque applied to a nut or bolt. If you have it all the way up on the highest torque setting, it's going to be under a lot of pressure. And this is not good over a long period of time for your torque wrench. So, if you move it down to its lowest setting, it's at its resting state, and that's how you keep the long life of your torque wrench. This was my review of the TEKTON 1/2-inch drive torque wrench. If you found this informative, please leave a like on the video and don't forget to subscribe. No matter who you are or your experience, remember, keep on improving.